Business Spotlight, brought to you by Cross Rhythms and BabaBaboon.
You had to go to the office to pick up your paperwork, to go find where you had to go. Then it was more paperwork to go to the merchants to pick up your materials. Then it's more paperwork that you've got to take back to the office. We come up with an idea of an app for the lads. We looked everywhere to see what was about, couldn't find anything what we need, so that's when we spoke to Lyn over at Trinity, and things escalated from there. I can literally say to the lads, there's your work, and off they go. They haven't got to worry about anything from the merchants, they haven't got to worry about anything coming into the office. It keeps them on the road, it keeps them straight to the jobs, just streamlining. Hopefully we're going to streamline everything we've got, and hopefully in the future it could be beneficial to other companies as well as ourselves.
And Lyn, you as Trinity Create, you've been a massive partner in this, in helping the organisation to basically transition and go into the next generation of providing mechanical and building services. But what does this app, just going on from what Ricky said, what does this app actually mean, and how can it simplify things?
Saving time, because time is money, and being more efficient for the client. But it was being efficient with the use of technology to enhance that customer journey and that user experience, really down to pat, to then to start to say, well, how can we start to feed that through into making sure that we are finding efficiencies for both HMM and both for the customer as well. Let's make it speedy for the customer, so that they, instead of somebody spending 2 hours on site because actually they've had to go off and find something, they can actually spend an hour. Well, we pass that cost on to the customer, so it makes HMM much more efficient in terms of how they're working.
Business Spotlight, shining a light on our local business community, brought to you by Cross Rhythms and BabaBaboon.